Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here that is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So we have 8 minus b. So we want to create about a square minus b square to cancel about the square root. So in this one we just have a minus b. So we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. Now we need to simplify this one. So because we have the power number 2 for this one, and that's why we have number 3 multiplied by number 2, we have number 6. The square root with the power number 2, that's why they cancel. And now we simplify s to the power of number 6. Next, we can do about factorization by s to the power of number 6. Next, the square root of s to the power of number 6 I will put outside, and we have s to the power of 3. And now we simplify s to the power of number 3 on numerator and denominator. So when s approaches to positive infinity, number 5 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. And now we have like this. And this one we have 5 over number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.